up guys, what's up? Today I'm here with another hair company. I've never tried hair from this company before. It's Worldnewhair, virgin hair, high quality, affordable price. They have all their socials on the bag. So let's see what we got inside. So I see the wig, which we'll get into in a few. I also got a wig cap, a information card. I got this thing here. I got the extra elastic band, which is really long. This is good to layer edges, as I always say. I got a clip. I got a headscarf. Extra elastic band again. And one that you can actually apply in the wig, inside of the wig. And I got a discount coupon card in there. Ooh, and I got these lashes, nice spaced out lashes, and that's everything that came in the bag. So ooh, this is the wig we're working with today. This is some inches. What I already love is that this is some color. This is a 26-inch wig. It is deep wavy and it's the 99J wig. It's 180% in density. So I'm excited for this. You see this color? This color is gorgeous. Oh, this color is gorgeous. This is the construction of the wig cap. And it's a lace front, as I mentioned before. It has 4 combs in total on the inside. It also has adjustable straps in the back, and it's a full-on burgundy wig from the roots to the end. Oh my god, I'm going to love this. I can't wait to install this. Yes, I have a blast putting on colors and stuff. It's just so fun, and it's pre-plucked if you can see, so saves us time. So I'm gonna jump into applying this right now. I realized that the lace, it was a little bit too light for me because it's not bleached or anything. So I got my brush with some foundation and I lightly started to like apply some to the lace so that it can blend in and melt better when I apply it. So that's, you know, a little quick hack.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes.
It looks really nicely plucked and it looks natural. You could definitely do the pullback vibes, okay? As usual, I'm just going to do the 2 swoops. I really love this wig. The color, the length, and it's curly. I've never gotten a curly wig here in color. I usually have to dye it. If you see I have a curly hair or wavy hair and it's colored, it's, you know, 9 times out of 10 I did it.
on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound?
I got my edges laid, and now I'm going to do a center part today. I'm thinking maybe I could do like, you know, 2 twists, like, you know, like I don't know, I'm gonna see. But I'm basically going to just lay the roots with my, oh, look at that, I just did the 2 swoops. It's so nice.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
I got those 2 braids done, so I'm going to just brighten the parting with my concealer, but everything is looking good.
Can you hear the sound?
Hair damp, and this is how it looks. Be mindful, guys, that this is colored hair, so like when you wet it, if you have on white, it will run a little bit. I kind of dried it out so it won't run on my clothes. So yeah, I didn't put any product in there, by the way. No product is in there. I just wet it with water because I don't mind for it to kind of like get some volume while it's drying out back. So yeah, but it's really pretty. I love the way I style it. Like the hairline looks really nice, so that's really nice. I like that. And yeah, that's it for this wig. That's it for my 99J wig. Let me know what you guys think. I love it so much. Number one thing for me is the color. It's the color for me, okay? It's really nice. As I said before, it's really soft. It's not heavy, even though it's 26 inches long. Like, it's not heavy. It's very manageable. It was really easy to, like, you know, brush out. I just used my brush here to brush it out, and it was really easy to deal with. As you guys saw, it did not come like bleached, so I did a little quick hack where I applied my foundation, which I'm pretty sure some of you guys know this already, and that really helped the lace to blend. It looks so natural. And yeah, I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box. Shout out to Worldnewhair for this gorgeous wig. It's so pretty. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked it, and stay tuned because I have so many other looks coming. So much. So yeah, just go and pick up on yourself, go and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.